Hi everybody, it's me, the Shadow Cat. Hey, or the whatever. Hey, so how are you guys doing? Yeah, so in the post yesterday arrived. Ding! Yes, Star Wars Legion Blizzard Force Battle Force Starter Kit, which I think should have been done first day out. Yeah, separate faction, and whatever. So what do we get in this box? We get the ATST, 4 scout bikes, three of three units of snow troopers, 26 bases. Yes, 26 bases. I love it. So let's go and have a look. Oh, and also cards. Yes, you do get Stormtrooper and Snow Trooper cards in this bundle. Not that everyone has been saying it. So I looked. Snow Troopers and Stormtroopers are in here. Also, for this force, I am using Arctic Scout Troopers. 3D printed. I got them from Big Fat Geeks on Etsy. I will link them in the description below. Also, we have a crap ton of bikes. How many we got here? 1, 2, 3, yep. 4 scout bikes. The lower part of an ATST and its noggin. Yeah, so that looks like it's going to be quite fun to do. It's a shame the top hatch is closed. Real shame about that. Can't have a Wookiee sticking his head out doing Indiana Jones. Or Tarzan, I should say. As he did in Return of the Jedi. The other bits and pieces of the ATST. And here we get the pack of Scout Troopers, Snow Troopers, and Vader himself. I'm not going to use Vader from this pack. Which Vader am I going to use? I'm going to use, she says, getting up and going into the stuff behind. Da, 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 da. I'm using this guy. I'm using this Vader. Why? Because I think this is a very good Vader. He's 3D printed. Same place where I get my other 90% of my 3D printed stuff. So all I need to do is take him off this base and swap him onto a white base, which will be the fancy bases that I normally get, and everything else. So what else do we get in here apart from all of this? Well, we get no, we don't. I was going to say we get the new Jacobin Club album, but no, we don't. I'm afraid. Toucans. Got too much shite on there. Yeah, and downloadable thing. Read this first. Blah 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 bloody blah. Atomic Mass Games. Atomic Mass Games. Atomic Mass Transmissions. Okay. Oh yeah, and yeah. I also got these heavy blaster guys as well. So that makes quite just under 600 points. but I'm only using 2 bikes. Hey, so I gotta say a very, very big thank you. Oh, excuse me, to Chaos Cards for getting me the Blizzard for sending the Blizzard Force. Cheers, guys. Oh, tea. Yes, so they sent it to me because I paid for it, obviously, and absolutely fantastic service. These guys are brilliant. They kept in contact with me throughout, saying, "Yeah, not a problem." Even though there was a postal strike over the weekend, what can you do? Can't do anything about that. So, yeah, I do like this. Pipes on the way back, on the underneath. I like it. So, when do we get the 8080? Yeah, go down the shop and buy it, yeah. Yeah, so we've got all the mechanics on putting the monstrosity together. The speeder bikes. The big bases. I won't be using these ones. All these ones. I'll be using the normal 20, the ones that FFG, the heavy plastic ones, they did. The one that Vader was on is on. That's getting, so they're going to get changed. I need to get a deck box for these. Or I might just put them in my D&D folder, since I haven't played D&D in ages. So, yeah. So this is going to be quite interesting. So I do hope you enjoyed the video. What was it? Let's make it laugh, right? Nicely packaged box, right size for Blizzard Force. Now, for Stealth Armored Iron Man, he had a great big box all to himself, which Bubbles is using. Sometimes she gets in there. Sometimes, what cats are like, really. Yeah. So that's that. Yeah. So once again, many thanks to Chaos Cards. Their link will also be down in the description below. Just say I sent you. And they're down in Kent, UK. And what can I say? Fantastic service. You can't beat them. So I will be back later on, hopefully, in another video with all of these guys put together.